When people look at a PCBA factory, they often look at the machines first. SMT, AOI, and X-ray are important. But with similar machines, why can the results be different? Because machines execute. Engineers make judgments. Machines can read files, but they cannot judge the hidden risks behind the data. Engineers check whether the BOM matches the Gerber files, whether footprints and polarity are correct, and whether any files are missing. Some risks do not appear as machine alarms. Pad design, component direction, and key material information must be checked early, or they may lead to rework later. Before production starts, engineers list the questions and confirm them with sales, the customer, or production. A machine will not ask, "Is this really correct?" An engineer will. Machines can run fast, but stable production is not just about pressing start. Programs, material positions, placement direction, and production requirements must be confirmed before the line starts. After the first board is made, engineers check placement, soldering, and key areas before mass production continues. With the same equipment, different boards and components may need different settings. Actual production status needs engineering judgment. Machines bring efficiency. Engineers protect stability. Machines can detect defects, but they cannot explain the cause behind them. AOI can mark possible issues. X-ray can show hidden solder joints. Test equipment can provide results. But is the issue from materials, the program, soldering parameters, design, or operation? Engineers need to review and analyze it. Engineers judge whether it is an isolated issue or a batch risk, then decide whether to isolate, adjust, rework, or confirm again. Machines detect problems. Engineers solve them. That is why we value both the machines and the people who use them. Machines handle defined actions. Engineers handle uncertain problems. This is the value of engineering experience.